Why you did that though? They didn't put any jalapeno in this one. Clearly you could see it in the other one, but this one don't have any. Wait a minute. Hold on. A little bit. So you have this all the time. Where this coming from? I don't remember if I ever heard of this. But look at me now. I have the barbecue on one end and the pizza sauce on one end.
Yeah, I'm a king. Come to my team. Come get your ring. True. You.
Boom! So hey guys, welcome back to Murphy channel. So today we are here at Papa John's. So Papa John has this new special called Papa Bites. So they have savory, spicy and sweet. So it's a Parmesan bite, a chicken Parmesan bite, and they have a Oreos bite, and they have a jalapeno bite. Hence the name sweet, spicy, savory. So I'm gonna go inside now, go check it out. I order online as usual, guys. Online, that's the way to go. So it's ready now. I'm about to go inside and let you see the process, and then I'll see you when I get the stuff. Stay tuned. I open a boat now, going inside to see if the order is ready. I always say it's ready, so I'm going inside now. Food here. You see what time it is. Papa John, 3 boxes.
A few moments later.
Boom. Sorry guys, I went inside and I got the order. Yo, it was real quick and easy, so I got the order. They don't label them as far as I could see, so I'm gonna show you what's going on now. But I said I went inside, gave them my name, pick up the order. I'm back outside now, waiting to do this. And oh, mommy, mom, y'all heard talking about what? Why you don't use what's this thing called again? This thing right here, hand sanitizer. People, I use my hand sanitizer. I got 2 of them, but my mom start watching the videos and like, bruh, you need to make sure your hands are clean before you start dealing with the food. Okay, ma. You happy now? Here's it. I've been doing it, but I didn't know I need to show people that they need to cleanse themselves before they have food. Anyhow, I'm gonna show you what's going on right here now. See what's going on now. They don't label this stuff, as I told you. They don't label the stuff, so I'm hoping them. I only cut the seal, so it could be easier to show you guys. So I'm gonna go in and see what's first. Come on, boy. Okay, this is the jalapeno bites. Okay, it comes with a ranch and some type of hot sauce or something. I don't know. Okay. Looks kind of dry though. This one is the Oreo bites. It come with a cheese icing or something of the sort. I'm not going into it more, but this is Oreo. That one's gonna be hitting last. And this now is the chicken Parmesan bites. And they come with 2 dipping sauce. Again, 2, I don't know what are those. So I'm going first. I think I might start with the jalapeno first, and then I'll just go through. So just stay tuned. Alright, time to dig in now. Alright. Let's see. So I'm gonna start with the one this is going with now. The jalapeno. The jalapeno bites. I ain't gonna lie guys, it look kinda dry. But let me go first. Yeah. Why you did that though? They didn't put any jalapeno in this one. Clearly you could see it in the other one, but this one don't have any. So you got to watch out for that. Okay. Opening this ranch. They have this looks like some barbecue sauce. Okay, so this one got some jalapeno on it now. I'm gonna dip in this one. Yo, this dipping sauce is like a honey barbecue. I don't remember. I think it's chipotle honey sauce, something of the sort. Wow. It's jalapeno. I like spicy food. So and it's 8 bites. They come in various sizes, guys. See, look at this one and look at this one. Various sizes, so hopefully get some good size. It looks kind of dry, but it's like the powder on it, so it's not really dry. It's just a powder that does it, but it's warm. Jalapeno, man, and the ranch. Woo. Yo, I'm telling you, yo, the two of this sauce is different. I wonder if I could mix the jalapeno and the chipotle and the ranch to make a different sauce. Okay. So that was the jalapeno bites. Papa bites, they call them. Okay. So let's go. So now this one come with 2 sauce. It's like a barbecue sauce. Definitely a barbecue sauce. This one now, yeah, this is like a tomato sauce. Maybe this the pizza sauce. I don't know why you send me that. And it's cold. I'm playing with me, people. Okay. The chicken parmesan now. It's kind of oily. It's kind of oily. Living here now, looking at it in this now, it's kind of oily. Let me get a close up for you on this one. See? It's hella oily. It's kind of oily right there. But I'm gonna try it out on there, see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so the chicken parmesan, guys. Papa John chicken parmesan bites, a new thing they have going on here at Papa John.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wait a minute. Hold on. Papa John. So you have this all the time. Where is this coming from? I don't remember if I ever heard of this. But look at me now. I have the barbecue on one end and the pizza sauce on one end. Bro, I think I need to try this other sauce right here. This is a different sauce than the barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna try. It's like a sweet chili sauce, like wow. Yeah. Bruh, I appreciate this, shawty. I ain't gonna lie though. You could have gave us more than 8 of these, so they're too good, but you give us 8. It's kind of selfish if you ask me, Papa John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. I'm gonna get one more, DB. Wow. Let me tell you something, Papa John's. We need a loaded bites. We need some jalapeno on this. The imagine the jalapeno and the Parmesan chicken, right? Yeah, bro. One thing I noticed with most pizza company and stuff forth, they don't really do a lot of ads. So sometimes they have something on the menu that slide on the radar. Slide under the radar, whatever you want to say. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Let's go. Papa John's Oreo bites. Okay, so this is like a cream cheese icing. It's warm, it's not cold, definitely it's warm. Okay. Wow. It's thick. Why? Why you have to do this though? Definitely the dough and the Oreo could have been much better. They should have I don't know, I don't like comparing companies, but like look at Papa John's and Popeyes, right? Popeyes with the biscuit, the regular biscuit normally have a biscuity texture. When they had the strawberry biscuit, the strawberry biscuit texture was different than the original biscuit. You could see it. So I don't appreciate why Papa John's use the same dough to make a sweet dessert. You should have mixed up. Tell them why it's true, man. You could smell the dough and it reminds you of pizza or something. And imagine now you're just eating something sweet. So out of all the three, I don't enjoy the dough on this one. That's just my opinion. Overall, boom. So hey guys, eventually I finish the review now. So I'm gonna give you my score and my ratings of everything so far. I got a spicy jalapeno. So you have the jalapeno bite. So it's called Papa John bite. So you have savory, spicy, sweet. Okay. So the savory one always would be the Parmesan chicken bites. Guys, the Parmesan chicken bites, fire. Man, Papa John need to make like a loaded bites, like with some jalapeno and everything on it. Yeah, the Parmesan one, for a snack like that, bro, I'll give it a smooth 8.5. A smooth 8.5, yo. The Parmesan bites, fire. When it comes on now to the jalapeno one, it need more jalapeno in it for me. More jalapeno, because I had one of the bites, no jalapeno at all. So why is it a jalapeno bites? It's just a bites at this point. Put some jalapeno in the stuff and stop playing me. Yes, I gave the jalapeno bites a 8. Yeah, I give it a 8. I gave the Parmesan chicken 8.5. So I give the jalapeno 8. Nice flavor, nice. The ones that have in jalapeno real good. Warm, the dipping sauce, everything was amazing with that one. Then now I had the Oreo bites. To be honest, I'm kind of disappointed. I really ordered it just because it was just the 3 bites they have. So I said, you know what, let me just get all 3 and just do a review on all 3 instead of just doing the 2. And then because of the whole heading, like, oh, savory, spicy, sweet, I said, you know what, let me just get all 3. Yeah, I'm disappointed in the Oreo bites, to be honest. I don't know if that was really Oreo or what, but the dipping sauce, the icing is really thick. It's really thick. It's sweet. The dough now for the Oreo bites, I think the dough should be more mushier. As I said about Popeyes and their biscuit, the strawberry biscuit, the texture of the donut of the biscuit was more soft. I'm even calling it a donut because the texture of it is really soft and different, more like a donut. You understand? So yeah, the Oreo bites, I gave it let's just say 7. Just say 7. The flavor and the warmness and everything is alright, but like the texture wise, the texture throw me off, and the smell, because the dough smell just like the Parmesan and the jalapeno. The flavor throw me off. So that was the only reason I gave it a 7. And to be honest, I think 7 is too high for it. I didn't enjoy that one at all. All the other bites, all the other Papa John bites, I had maybe 4 or 3 bites. For the Oreo bites, I think I had 1 or 2 of them. I didn't enjoy it. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was the end of the review, guys. It was just random. I don't know how I run across this new thing. I was on the phone and I saw this thing pop when I was on YouTube watching some random thing. I saw it. Oh, Papa John have something new. Okay, and funny enough, I should have already went to Domino's to do their tater tots or whatever. I didn't get around to it, and I understand. So I just came out to do this one, and I have some errands to go and do now. So yeah, that was Papa John's bites, Parmesan bites, jalapeno bites, Oreo bites, all 3. It's $4.99 where I'm from in Maryland, so $4.99 for each, and each box comes with 8. So basically, do the maths, it's a high price. The Parmesan one now and the jalapeno one, it's so good. They should have put maybe even 2 more of them bites in it. Come on, stop playing. You heard me. So yeah, basically that was it. Everything was great apart from the Oreo bites. So that's my review on Papa John's bites, savory, spicy, sweet. Thanks for watching again. This is Mirafect channel, and this is Troy here speaking to you. I call me Trees. You know what I mean? So stick and stay, guys. Continue watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Stay tuned. We're there, we're outside, and we'll see you next time. Wow, good.
Yeah, I'm a king. Come to my team. Come get your ring. True. You and you and you and you. Yeah, you is a queen. True. You and you and you and you.